Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Domingos. I'm also known as DMA and appreciate when I'm called DMA. So today we have this algebraic equation to solve. We have x squared minus 6x minus 9 all squared equal to x times x squared minus 4x minus 9. What is the approach that you're thinking in applying? Do you think maybe in expanding this expression? Well, probably you could get that wrong, or maybe you will take long. I don't know which one you could choose, getting wrong or taking long. Okay, so perfect. The approach that we're going to apply here, since we have exponents 2 here, we're going to divide both of expression by x squared. We have x outside, so we're going to divide this x in both sides. But because of this exponent, then instead of just dividing by x, we will divide by x squared. All right. So if we divide here, then we get x squared minus 6x minus 9 over x all squared. Because they have the same exponent, I can just keep the exponent and divide the base. All right. So if we divide here, then we're going to have x squared minus 4x minus 9 over x. Because 1x is simplified with 1x, so we are left only with 1x. So now I can separate each expression with the common denominator x. So we're going to have, this is x minus 6 minus 9 over x all squared equal. The same will happen here. We'll have x minus 4 minus 9 over x. All right. Now I have this expression. This expression is not the same as this one, but they have some things in common. They have 9 over x, they have x, so they have those expressions in common. So what we can do, we can let this expression, x minus 6 minus 9 over x, to be equal to a new variable, t, for instance. But what about this side? We don't have this side, because here we have minus 4, here we have minus 6. But we can get this minus 4 here if we add both sides by plus 2. Because if we add both sides by plus 2, we're going to have x minus 4 minus 9 over x equal to t plus 2. Because minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4. So we can get this expression. Now we can substitute it there. We can have t squared equal to t plus 2. So t squared minus t minus 2 equal to 0. So we have now t minus 2 times t plus 1 equal to 0. So t will be equal to 2 or t will be equal to minus 1. So having those two values, we can just substitute back here to find what's the value of x. So if we start with 2, then we're going to have x minus 6 minus 9 over x equal to 2. Multiply all the expression by x. What do we get? We have x squared. Here will be minus 6x. Here will be minus 9 equal. Here will be 2x. So then we have x squared. This positive 2x comes here. Will be minus 8x minus 9 equal to 0. So x minus 9, x plus 1. Because if we multiply is negative 1, if we add is minus 8. All right. So x is going to be equal to 9 or x is going to be equal to negative 1. So this is using t equal to 2. Now let's use t equal to negative 1. So for t equal to negative 1, that means here x minus 6 minus 9 over x will be equal to negative 1. If we multiply by x, we have x squared minus 6x minus 9 equal to minus x. So x squared, this comes here, positive, so will be minus 5x minus 9 equal to 0. Let's find the delta. We have 25 minus 4 times a times negative 9. All right, we have 25 plus negative and negative positive. And then we have 4 times 9 is 36. Perfect. So delta will be equal to 25 plus 36. Let's apply here quick maths. We have 5 plus 6, which is 11, comes 1. We keep the other 1. 2 plus 3 is 5, and that 1 is 6. 61. Perfect. So that means x will be equal to minus b, 5 plus or minus square root of 61 over 2a, which is x. So we have x equal to 9, x equal to minus 1, and we have this expression plus or minus, which means we have two values here. 4 values for x. The ones that verify are the solution for this equation. Okay? So if you enjoy, leave your like, your comment, subscribe, and most importantly, share with your friends.